Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching rolling transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Then, go to the Project panel, create an adjustment layer, and put it onto the timeline above the two clips. Trim the adjustment clip to the last 10 frames for the first clip and 11 for the second. Go to the Effects panel, search Offset and drag it onto the clip. In the Effect Controls panel, go to the Offset effect. Set a keyframe for Shift Center to 10 frames away from the cut. Move the playhead 20 frames ahead and change the Shift Center to value to roll the clip out of the frame. Then click the stopwatch next to Blend with Original and move ahead 1 frame to set it 100%. For added smoothness, go to the Effects panel, search Directional Blur, and apply it to the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, change the direction to match the direction of the roll, so about 70 degrees. Set the timeline to start the transition and blur length to 0. Move the timeline to cut and change it to 70, and lastly, move to the stop point and change it back to 0. Play the timeline to preview your rolling transition. And that's it. A quick and easy rolling transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.